more sensitive than others,
Yeah.
which is all the more reason why we need to keep a check of those winds, where that smoke is blowing.
That's what John keeps an eye on.
And we all know that here in the Bay Area, things have layers to them. And this is that look from that top layer, from the top of Mount Tam right here, of how hazy conditions are. Even if you have a very modest sea breeze, that can scoot through San Francisco, and those Bay Area air quality reporting stations down there will have quite a lot of variation in what they're detecting based on wind direction, what air mass you're in. Warmer, drier air masses right now tend to be the ones that are most subject to that worse air quality, like right around the Delta currently, as well as out into the Central Valley, where some of that smoke has had the chance to actually settle down into the valley itself. The very modest sea breeze that we have in the Bay this morning is at least helping us a little bit, but if you are feeling that, there is smoke in the vicinity, and that Colusa County fire has sent most of that to the south, and especially into the Delta region, but some of that has diffused into the greater Bay Area as well. Now that sea breeze kicks up more and more this afternoon, and with that, take a look at this sweeping effect. It just nudges that smoke right out of the Bay Area, keeps it a little bit closer to the vicinity of the fire itself. So air quality is actually going to be improving here within the next 24 hours. So if you have been feeling that, little bit of good news for you there. As for our current conditions, radar otherwise is showing crystal clear skies. That low that had really stirred up that northwesterly wind is going to be on the outs, with a high pressure ridge building back in. With that comes increased temperatures this weekend, but not necessarily a windy forecast. Still hanging on to just barely those red flag warnings extended till noontime today in Solano County, and that's because Solano County is our breeziest spot right now. Vacaville around 16 miles per hour for your wind. It's the sea breeze that kicks up later on today. And you see that right here in your wind map. That is actually going to result in less dry conditions, so relative humidity won't be quite as bone dry. Winds will generally be a little calmer, and temperatures a little cooler. So these are all improved conditions for the Bay Area. All little bits of good news to talk about. 60s to 70s for your highs in San Francisco, 60s along the coastline, and then 70s to 80s elsewhere. Your next 2 days, your last days of spring, are going to just be so slightly the coolest days of this forecast. San Jose at 83 degrees, Fremont, Hayward on up through Oakland, up to Richmond in the 70s, while Concord at 87. Our two hottest spots, Antioch and Vacaville, nearing 90 degrees, although that's a number that we're going to save for your first weekend of summer, which kicks off on Thursday, your summer solstice. After that, inland area is going to be in the 90s, some 80s along the Bayshore, all of it under sunny and dry skies. Raina.
All right, John.